2024 Wisconsin DNR Fish Stocking Summary: Trout, salmon, walleye and more. The Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, DNR, has just unveiled the fish stocking figures for 2024, covering both inland water bodies and the expansive Great Lakes. This announcement is significant for anglers and environmentalists alike, as it highlights the ongoing efforts to sustain and enhance fish populations in Wisconsin's waters. Every year, the DNR cultivates millions of young fish, including yearlings and fingerlings, to replenish the state's aquatic ecosystems. In 2024 alone, over 5 million fish were introduced into various water bodies, a crucial step in meeting the stocking quotas established by county fisheries biologists. But why is fish stocking so important? It plays a vital role in revitalizing natural fish populations that may struggle to reproduce effectively on their own. This practice not only helps maintain and restore existing fisheries, but also enhances recreational fishing opportunities for the public. Additionally, fish stocking serves as a tool for assessing management strategies and fish culture techniques. DNR biologists meticulously analyze data from both current and historical surveys to decide which species and how many should be stocked. Their considerations include feedback from the public during the creation of species-specific management plans, innovative fisheries management strategies being tested, specific goals for watersheds aimed at restoring self-sustaining fish populations, preserving current fisheries, or establishing new recreational fishing areas. In 2024, DNR fish crews were active across the state, stocking various species in inland waters, Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, and their tributaries. Here's a detailed breakdown of the total fish stocked by species in Wisconsin waters for this year. Inland waters 231,685 brook trout, 288,290 brown trout, 10,945 lake sturgeon, 86,552 lake trout, 59,112 muskellunge, 243,588 rainbow trout, 1,195,570 walleye, Lake Michigan **, 50,184 brook trout, 475,045 brown trout, 1,361,857 chinook salmon, 517,166 coho salmon, 1,139 lake sturgeon, 15,495 muskellunge, 446,150 rainbow trout, Lake Superior **, 199,885 brown trout, 60,732 lake trout, 54,743 splake. It's important to note that this data does not account for newly hatched fry, fish introduced by private fish farms under a stocking permit, or those stocked by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and tribal partners. For those interested in exploring more about fish stocking, the DNR's fish stocking database is available online, where you can find historical data and specifics about various water bodies. What do you think about the DNR's fish stocking efforts? Are they doing enough to support our aquatic ecosystems, or is there room for improvement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Wisconsin DNR 2024 Fish Stocking Report: 5 million fish and 2025 hunting forecasts. Have you ever wondered just how much effort goes into sustaining Wisconsin's world-class fisheries and thriving hunting traditions? The answer might surprise you and, in some circles, even spark debate. This week, the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, DNR, released comprehensive details about the 2024 fish stocking efforts, the outlook for 2025's major hunting and trapping seasons, and an exciting grant opportunity to grow the outdoor community. But this isn't just about numbers, it's about the future of our state's natural resources and the role everyone plays. And this is the part most people overlook. 2024 fish stocking highlights **. Every year, the DNR embarks on a massive task, raising and releasing millions of young fish, known as yearlings and fingerlings, into Wisconsin's inland lakes and the Great Lakes. For 2024, over 5 million fish entered Wisconsin waters, carefully allocated according to the needs identified by local fisheries experts. Why is stocking so critical? Simply put, in some waters, natural fish reproduction just can't keep up, whether due to habitat changes, environmental pressures, or decades of fishing demand. Stocking helps replenish these populations, restores and preserves fisheries, and supports countless anglers' favorite pastime. The DNR also uses these stocking programs as a way to test new management techniques, collect data, and refine their approach to fish culture. Before any fish are introduced, DNR biologists crunch the numbers, or more accurately, mountains of data. They review present and past survey results, listen to community feedback, weigh experimental management ideas, and keep a close eye on the goals for each watershed. For example, a river in need of self-sustaining trout might get a different strategy than a lake where anglers crave trophy muskellunge. In 2024, fish stocking teams covered virtually the entire state, from small inland lakes to the vast stretches of Lake Michigan and Lake Superior. Here's a full rundown of fish released in 2024 by waterbody. Inland waters Brook trout, 231,685. Brown trout, 288,290. Lake sturgeon, 10,945. Lake trout, 86,552. Muskellunge, 59,112. Rainbow trout, 243,588. Walleye, 1,195,570. Lake Michigan Brook trout, 50,184. Brown trout, 475,045. Chinook salmon, 1,361,857. Coho salmon, 517,166. Lake sturgeon, 1,139. Muskellunge, 15,495. Rainbow trout, 446,150. Lake Superior Brown trout, 199,885. Lake trout, 60,732. Splake, a hybrid, 54,743. One important caveat, these totals don't count recently hatched fry fish stocked by private farms under permit, or those introduced by federal agencies or tribal fisheries partners. For curious minds, you can dig into specific waters or compare trends from previous years using the DNR's fish stocking database. 2025 hunting and trapping forecasts, the season ahead. Just as fish stocking stirs up debate, predicting hunting seasons is both an art and a science. The DNR's latest 2025 forecast series offers detailed projections for all your favorite game, including deer, upland birds, migratory birds, bear, and furbearers. And this is the part where every hunter has an opinion: will this year be better than the last? Are populations really going up, or do you think recent surveys missed something? These forecasts do more than guess at animal numbers. They are built on a solid foundation: broad animal surveys, recent DNR research, feedback from advisory committees, and even shifts in weather patterns, all analyzed to chart what hunters and trappers can expect statewide. You'll also find practical reminders about public land access, game registration, and season dates. Whether you're a deer hunter planning a family outing or a waterfowl enthusiast mapping your favorite blind, these forecasts are essential reading. Find the breakdowns for each species on the DNR's website. Who knows, you might even spot a new opportunity this fall. A call to the next generation. Hunter a 3-grant program open. Here's a bold initiative that could truly shape the future of Wisconsin's outdoor heritage and possibly spark contention about how and who should carry on these traditions. The DNR is now accepting applications for the Hunter Recruitment, Retention, and Reactivation, a 3-grant program. Their goal? To support efforts that introduce safe and responsible hunting to wider audiences, including those who've traditionally been left on the sidelines. Past 3 grants have made some remarkable things possible: urban archery range improvements, launching school clay target teams and 4-H shooting sports, funding public learn to hunt workshops, and even buying outdoor wheelchairs to make wild spaces accessible. These projects don't just teach skills, they foster confidence, build community, and deepen connections to nature. If you or your organization dream of making a difference, now's the moment. The grant pool this year is $75,000, with typical awards up to $25,000, open to community groups, tribal partners, universities, schools, and individuals. Note that it's a reimbursement program funded under the federal Pittman-Robertson Act, so plan accordingly. Applications close at 11:59 p.m. on September 15, 2025. If selected, expect your project to kick off about a year after that. Ready to act? Check out details and apply through the DNR's Hunter a 3 grant program webpage. What's your take? The DNR's efforts are ambitious but raise important questions. Is fish stocking enhancing our waters, or could it disrupt natural balances? Are hunting grants the best way to boost participation, or should other methods play a bigger role? And when forecasting populations, how much trust should we place in survey data? Have you seen firsthand the impacts, good or bad, of these programs? Are there species you'd love to see more or less of in your local waters or woods? Sound off below. Do you agree with Wisconsin's approach, or is there a change you think the DNR should consider? Your comments could be the start of the next great conservation idea. Over 5 million fish stocked in Wisconsin's waterways. A boost for ecosystems and fishing. Imagine a Wisconsin where the sparkling waters teem with life, where every cast promises the thrill of a catch. This is the vision the Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, DNR, is working tirelessly to achieve. In 2024, they released a staggering 5 million fish into the state's inland waters and the Great Lakes, a move that's not just about numbers but about bolstering ecosystems and preserving fishing traditions. But here's where it gets controversial. The DNR's comprehensive fish stocking data, which doesn't include efforts by private, federal, or tribal entities, reveals a meticulous strategy behind the species and quantities chosen. From various trout and sturgeon to chinook salmon and over 1 million walleye, each fish is carefully selected based on public input, experimental management techniques, and watershed restoration objectives. And this is the part most people miss. The stocking figures show a significant increase across Wisconsin's waters, with large numbers of muskellunge and walleye, and over 1.3 million chinook salmon released into Lake Michigan. Lake Superior also saw a surge with thousands of brown trout, lake trout, and splake. While the DNR's 2024 stocking summary, https://dn.wisconsin.gov/newsroom/release/111451, provides a clear picture of their efforts, it's important to remember that this data only reflects the agency's contributions. The combined efforts of multiple stakeholders highlight the crucial human involvement required to support Wisconsin's aquatic ecosystems and recreational activities. So, what do you think? Does this level of human intervention in nature's balance seem necessary, or does it raise questions about our role in managing ecosystems? Share your thoughts in the comments.